The convenience store, as it stands today, won't exist in 15 years. You have to become a destination.
The mission of Choice is to reinvent the convenience shopping space for the customer.
We think a lot about the customer experience from moment to moment, from the perspective of walking in the door, what that actually feels like, to all of our digital channels as well.
We're going against the biggest companies in the world in a low margin business. And as we continue investing in technology, it's very clear that Microsoft Cloud for Retail can be a catalyst on every level.
The combination of AiFi and Microsoft working together give us an immense amount of data about what's working and what's not working. And using Smart Store Analytics and Microsoft Cloud for Retail allows us to be much more predictive and less reactive about the products we're choosing and where to put them and when to buy them.
Choice now knows why the customer may pick up a product and put it back. We're able to hone in on that customer behavior and do things like re-merchandise in the store, change shelf heights, make their experiences a lot more convenient.
It is forcing us to challenge traditional merchandising decisions. For example, yogurt goes with dairy and energy drinks go with soda. They don't belong next to each other. But the data was telling us we should move them closer together, and we reduced shopping time by 30%.
We also have prepared food. The data was that customers were continuing to go past 11 when we stopped selling breakfast burritos, but they kept going to that fixture at 12, at 1, at 2. We extended the operating hours of that product and saw a 50% lift on that product.
The tool and the data is allowing us to very quickly make changes that impact customer experience, but also profitability around Choice. Since we started using Microsoft Cloud for Retail, we've increased customer traffic by almost 20%. We've increased basket size by almost 15%. To be able to do that in a very, very short amount of time is quite impressive. On the specific items that we were testing, we've more than doubled sales.
Microsoft Cloud for Retail will continue to be a competitive advantage for Choice.
It allows us to think about it in a really human way. Think about what can we do to create a moment-to-moment experience that makes people want to come back